Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where no sound is playing when playing MKV video files in the movies and TVs app on your computer, then please watch this video. So here's the thing, I think that the MKV format is supported on the media player application. You can use this one to play these files. But if you don't want to, then here's what you can do. Update Windows, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Why? Because if the support for MKV files extends to the movies and TV app, it will be pushed through Windows Update. The next one is to update audio drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs and try updating all the drivers. Okay. The next one is to use a different media program. I'll tell you why. See, here's the thing. Other websites and channels are suggesting you to download codec packs. I say not necessary. What you have to do is you need to download and install VLC. I'll tell you later why, but first I'll show you how. So search for store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Search for VLC in the in the search bar of the Windows Store, and go to VLC and select install and let it install and use VLC to play the MKV files. It will definitely work. Lastly, if this doesn't help either, then simply run the audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.